Right off the bat, on the front side of the packaging, we can see that they're advertising this to be compatible with PC, laptops, which happens to be the same platform, PS4, and then Xbox One. On this side of the packaging, we don't see any additional information aside from the name of the brand, and we see an image of the device on the inside itself. Same goes for no. We have some extra information over here. It says it uses a single 3.5mm jack for audio and mic. It's compatible with PC, laptops, PS4, and Xbox One. We've seen this before. How about we look at the rear side? Okay, we have certain additional information over here. It says the driver diameter is 40 millimeters. Impedance is 32 ohms plus minus 15%. Sensitivity is 105 dB. Frequency range is between 15 Hz to 20 kilohertz. Microphone is about 6 by 5 millimeters. Microphone sensitivity is minus 38 decibels. Microphone impedance happens to be 2.2 kilo ohms. Directionality is omnidirectional, so there's no polarization at all. Cable length is 2.1 meters, give and take about 15 millimeters. Working current is 500 milliamperes. Now, we don't know whether that's for the LEDs or for the audio jack. Once we connect it, we'll figure out. Aside from that, there's a little more additional information over here and here. And we see for the images of the headset. Let's open it up. Inside the box we can find a little leaflet. This is an instruction manual, and we see the same specifications that was mentioned on the back hand side again. And that's about it. We'll keep this to the side, come back to the headset. So this is the GS410, the Cosmic Byte GS410. As you can see, the mic boom is on the left ear cup. So is the wire connection.
H520W Pro Stereo gaming headset with branding. Based on the box, in the front, what we can tell is it has a 3.5mm jack, deep bass technology, a 50mm driver, HD audio, suspension headband, and soft ear pads. If you move the box to the side, we have the same specifications that we saw up front, at least most of them. We also know that it's got an 8cm mic with 2.2 meters cable length, and it has an over-ear form factor. On the other side, we also see that these headphones are compatible with PC, Xbox One, PS4, and the Wii U, along with Android mobile phones and tablets and iOS devices. Let's open this up and see what we got inside. We have the headphones themselves, some anti-sports branding with a welcome message from anti-sports. We have a user manual and warranty card with the details about the headphones and basics on how to use it, and the warranty card at the back. We also have a 3.5mm splitter, so in case you have in case you're connecting this to a PC or a laptop that has a mic and a separate mic and headphone jack, this should come in handy. There is also a 1000 rupee scan and redeem coupon code for World of Warships. Let's keep this stuff aside and take a look at the headphones themselves. It's got some fairly simple packaging, and these are the headphones themselves. The 8cm mic is essentially fixed. It doesn't move in any way. It's not attachable either. That is the mic itself. If you turn around, you see that it has a volume toggle. This is the suspension headband with some great anti-sports branding on top. It has the right and left indicators right here. Quite aesthetically designed. The ear pads seem nice and comfortable, and